Take a ride in the 2026 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, cloth seat trim, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Your new ride is just a phone call away.